Hi guys, happy Wednesday. It's a hot and humid day in Tokyo and we are on our way to the Olympic Stadium here in Tokyo to see what it's like. The place is cordoned off, so there's not much that we can do, but we're still trying to find it so we can get some photos. I'm not prepared though.
I was gonna wear one, I was gonna wear a Jamaican, but I was like, is it too much?
You can wear you can hold the flag. The shirt. You have to have flag? No?
You are the person doing the interview?
Yes.
Okay. What is it they want to know about, like, our perception?
What they asked me is like they want to get a sense of what's happening and what Jamaicans are doing in Japan to like celebrate the athletes and support the athletes and stuff.
We will, like, back home in Jamaica, we'll watch it on the internet.
Yeah.
Follow the Jamaicans.
Yeah, everybody excited at home.
I don't know.
Yeah, we're not, so we don't sure what's really happening.
So this is the stadium? No?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, that's it.
Let's read this map.
It said 3 minutes. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I should have gone live on my YouTube channel. But everybody's sleeping now, no? No man, 3 minutes. I'm saying 3 minutes walk from the station.
No, but
The rings itself?
the ring, the physical ring.
Ah.
Everything.
Yeah. So the place is blocked off.
今がここです。で、千駄ヶ谷駅がまっすぐ行くとこうですね。で、今ここ、千駄ヶ谷駅がステーションがそこにあるんで、そしたらレフト、レフト、レフト、オリンピックス。
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。We needed an umbrella. Jesus. Ah, jeez. Here is Sendagaya Station. Quite a few people here.
One signal, two signal, three signal.
Yeah, so
Right, left turn, left turn.
okay, so straight and left turn. Arigato.
So three signals.
Three signals.
Three signal,
And left.
left turn.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Let's cross. Arigato.
So we have 3 traffic lights to go, and then we're gonna make a left turn according to his directions, and then we'll get to where the rings are. It shouldn't be so far away. So here, this wall all over Tokyo, you can see the Tokyo 2020 signs. They're literally everywhere, from the walls to staircases to banners lining the streets. There are signs everywhere. And the officials didn't bother to change from 2020 to 2021 because, as you can imagine, it would cost so much to have to change the dates throughout the entire city, well, throughout the entire country. Yes, 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 and we're getting the gold. Yes, we've arrived. Jamaica, and it's Jamaica for the gold.
Where the sun is not easy now.
I know, right?
On the wrong side? No,
Yeah,
but
'cause
I'm
it's
saying
hot
on the
over here.
side that the sun is.
And right now I am at Nishidori Avenue, and all over the city close to the stadium there are many officials, many police officers. There are a few people out, some people seemingly excited about what's happening.
Left.
Hi, domo. Okay guys, we're finally here at the Olympic rings. And we're going to take our picture soon. Here are the Jamaican peoples. Hi guys. Hello.
Is it?
So doing a test with the iPhone. Hello guys, my name is Sandy Caron and I am right outside the Tokyo Museum here in the Japan Olympic Museum here in Tokyo. And as you can see, we're right in front of the Olympic rings and we're here in our Jamaican apparel and we are as excited as we can be for the Olympics. Yay! And so the question is, in the midst of the COVID-19 virus, how are we as Jamaicans celebrating or supporting our athletes here in Tokyo? With me, I have one Jamaican to tell us all about it. Dun, dun, dun.
Ding 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 dong ding dong 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 dong.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm doing good too. It's very hot and humid, right?
Yes, it is. That's Japan in the summer.
Okay, and where in Japan do you live?
I live in Kanagawa.
And we're in unprecedented
Alright,
times.
can you cut? Can you retake?
That was supposed to be a test.
Yeah.
No, that was a test.
No, go more, go. Continue moving. Okay.